Hi, we're NEMO Equipment, a small outdoor gear maker in Dover, New Hampshire.
We love to adventure outside.
Surf,
Sail,
rock climbing,
backpack,
fly fish,
Camping.
we just enjoy getting out there.
But we're seeing the impact of a changing climate here in New England.
and it's happening faster than predicted.
New England is ground zero for temperature increases.
Cold water fish are becoming harder to find.
Our beautiful fall foliage is less colorful than it used to be.
Our ski seasons are shorter and slushier.
ticks are impacting our moose population.
These are the things we're seeing firsthand.
But we know these are just symptoms of the larger problem.
The global consequences of warming temperatures are really serious.
Rising sea levels, dangerous storms.
Loss of biodiversity and more forest fires.
But there is good news.
We can actually help reverse rising temperatures.
And we can do it ourselves without waiting for government action.
The challenge is knowing what to do.
Should I ride my bike to work?
Should I buy an electric car?
Should I grow my own food?
Or support a local farmer?
What's the best way to eat?
Is there a better way to commute?
Where are my efforts most valuable?
Listen, we're not scientists. Well, not all of us. But we've found a research-based plan of action.
It spells out clearly how we can have the most impact and where we should be spending our time.
Join us as we take on this challenge as a company.
Over the next 5 months, we're going to tackle these 5 topics.
Food,
Energy,
Women and girls.
Land use.
Zero waste.
And we are going to have fun with it.
Oh, we're going to have fun with it.
So follow along as together,
Together.
together,
Together.
We raise the stakes.